In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a job position from your LinkedIn profile. This is helpful if you added a role by mistake, duplicated an entry, or simply want to clean up your experience so your profile reflects your current professional story. First, log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your homepage, look toward the top of the screen for the Me menu. Click that, and from the drop-down, choose View Profile. This will take you straight to your public profile, where you can see all of your information the way others do. Now scroll down until you reach the Experience section. This is where your jobs are listed. Take a moment to carefully find the exact position you want to remove. Make sure it's the right one, especially if you've worked at the same company more than once, since entries can look similar. When you've located the position you want to delete, move your cursor to the right side of that specific entry and click the pencil icon. That's the edit icon, and it opens a pop-up window where you can change or remove details for that job. Inside the pop-up, you'll see all the fields for the role, such as title, company, dates, and description. If your goal is to remove the position entirely, scroll down within this window until you see the Delete option. Click Delete. LinkedIn will show a confirmation pop-up to make sure you really want to remove this job from your profile. Read the message carefully because deleting a position removes it from your profile immediately. If you're certain you want it gone, click Delete again to confirm. The position will disappear from your Experience section and your profile will update right away. If you change your mind before confirming, simply close the pop-up or click Cancel instead. A quick tip as you do this, double-check the dates and company name before deleting, just to avoid removing the wrong entry. If you meant to fix a typo or update responsibilities, you can edit those in the same pop-up instead of deleting the entire position. That's all there is to it. You've successfully deleted a job position from your LinkedIn profile. Keeping your profile tidy helps recruiters and connections see the most accurate version of your professional timeline. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.